this is where we think this whole market's going to go, is it's connected to the internet.
Okay.
And you're controlling it with your smartphone. It's the iPhone and iPod Touch today. It could be something else next year, right? But it's kind of the smart speaker meets the smartphone, so to speak.
Okay.
You connect the Zone Bridge to the router, pull up that controller, and it says, okay, welcome to Sonos. Would you like to set up your Sonos session? You click yes. It literally says, all right, go to the Zone Bridge or Zoneplayer and click the 2 buttons on it. Within 2 seconds, it'll see that and say, okay, we recognize this. What is this? Is this a Zone Bridge or is this a room? If it's a room, you name it. And boom, you're like, all of a sudden you've got that room ready to play. See is that we actually give you a variety of options for music. So here's your music library. Anything on a computer in the house, we'll show it to you there.
Okay.
Radio, there's about 30,000 radio stations in there, and podcasts and everything else. Last.fm and Pandora are actually free on Sonos. You just need to register for username, password. And then Napster, Rhapsody, and Sirius are the kind of the premium subscription services. You'll see here we actually put a little trial. Oops. Every Sonos you get out of the box, at least in the U.S., gets a trial to Rhapsody, Napster, and Sirius. So for 30 days, you get to get hooked. Maybe it's not something you like to use.
Yeah, okay.
70% of our customers use one of those, though. Because what happens is, and even in my house, I never use my music library anymore. I use Napster. It's got 8 million songs, right? And you don't have to buy them. And the day they come out on Tuesday, every week they're in there. If that's what your thing is, new music. Zone Bridge, which is this little device here. One thing needs to be connected to the home network via wire.
Okay.
So here we have the Zone Bridge, because let's say you don't want music in this room. So instead of plugging that in here, you just plug a Zone Bridge in. Everything else can go around the house wirelessly.
Okay, gotcha.
But we want one wire to your home networks, which that gives us is a solid internet connection and solid access to your home network. We don't rely on traditional 2.4. We don't tap into your existing wireless because it doesn't really work that well. And when you start relying on existing wireless networks in your house, music's going to stop. Yeah. If somebody's surfing the internet, downloading something, it's a very poor experience. So we ask you to give us one wire to the router. The rest of these, theirs is just plugged into the wall. The ones out here, just plugged into the wall. Hit it, done. And then let's go to zones. And then go to zone group. And then go ahead and add the bedroom in there too. And then done. So now you have all 4 zones playing the exact same song, perfectly synchronized throughout the house. And the idea is you can play everything same song in every room, or different songs in different rooms.